Autumn?
I don't understand how to
Okay, let me do people that want answers repeated first, and then we'll talk about how to do something. Sophia?
Number 17.
Number 17 was 6 centimeters. And again, I wouldn't, you should have your, unless you missed 0, you should be diligently looking at your pretest and your answers to see why you missed them, because 1 wrong is a half a grade. Caleb?
For number 1, at the end when it says 7 cents, can we just put 1?
Well, but they wanted the fractions the way they had them. Just note for tomorrow to put 7 cents. Yes, Joseph.
Can we have numbers 4, 5, and 6?
4 is 8.04, 5 is 4, 6 is 5.01. Madison.
What was number 3?
Number who?
Number 3.
3 is 10,560. Sophia.
Number 7B is okay to put 0.
Yes. Now, Autumn, which one did you ask about?
Why did you get
Number 3? Okay, well, let's look at problem number 3. I will get this. I need to recalibrate here. That's all right. So. It says for problem number 3, 3 feet equal 1 yard, and that's something I would just kind of jot down, so I have it here. 3 feet equals 1 yard. 2 miles, 1 mile, so here you go. And again, I would write this down. Here's 1 mile. 1 mile is 1,760 yards. How many feet would that be? Well, if every single yard is 3 feet, if you have this many yards, how many feet would that be? And maybe it's easier to think about this. 1 yard would be how many feet? 3. 2 yards would be
6.
3 yards is 4 yards is, what are you doing with this every time? Well, 4 multiplying by 3 every time. So you need to take 1,760 and multiply it by 3. And that's where the 5,280 came from. I'm not sure where a bunch of you put 9 down. I don't know how you get 9 for that. 1,760 yards. That's a lot of feet, as Dr. Seuss says. Caleb?
What was the answer to that?
I'm sorry, this was 10,000. Wait, it said 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. Oh, and it wanted 2 miles, so you have to double this. That's why it was 10,000. 5,280. 10,460. Is that right? 5,560. 5,560. My bad. Again, 2 miles. So make sure tomorrow when you look at the test, we did just 1 mile. Make sure you read the whole problem. Look at it twice. Guaranteed 5th graders, it'll be problem number 3. So in your mind, think I gotta be careful on problem number 3. That's the one I missed. I'm guessing other people missed more than just that. That's the only problem on there. Brian?
I don't understand why I got rid of
2. Number 2. Write the fraction 11/4 as a mixed number. How do you make 11/4 a mixed number? Well, you could draw pictures. Every whole thing is how many fourths? 1 is 4/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you had another whole thing, that's 5, 6, 7, 8/4. If you had a third whole thing, that is 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't have 12/4, I only have 11/4. So I get rid of that part right there. As a mixed number, how many whole things do I have? 1, 2, and 3/4. But you want to draw pictures. What's the best way to do that? It is a counter.
dividing.
Yeah, you take the by the bottom into the top. How many times is 4 going to 11? 2 whole times. And then what do you do with the remainder? Put it over top of that. Did you do it right? 2 3/4. Does that make sense, Brian? This is just, fractions are nothing more than division problems. As long as they're improper fractions. Don't think you divide if it's a proper fraction. 4/11 is fine to have. That's a proper fraction, you don't have to worry about. 11/4 you do have to do some stuff with there. Got it?
For number 17, I put 16 millimeters.
Number what? Was that a measuring one?
17. Yes. Yes.
The length of this 17 right here, right? So the length of MN is 30 millimeters. Segment NO is 30 millimeters. Wait, what did you put down?
60 millimeters.
60? What did I, maybe I read that wrong. It should be 60.
No, it's
Oh, yeah. No. It is 60 millimeters, but the problem asks for it in centimeters, so you have to change 60 millimeters to centimeters. So 6 centimeters. So again, this is why we do the little pretest. Right in your, tomorrow when you come and take this test, problem number 17, I guarantee is going to be very similar to that. I'm sure it won't be 30 and 30, but it'll probably be something like 40 and 40. Now make sure that you change millimeters into centimeters, otherwise it will be wrong. On number 10 was 22 11/40. So
What was number 19?
19 was 20 yards. Gianna. 16 was 8. Any other ones? Going once, going twice.